Managing Director of SPICE CSL, Mr. Lima Che, Founder of Multi Communications, value entities, value dealers, members of the press, media, ladies and gentlemen, I wish all of you good morning. Firstly, I'll take the opportunity to thank you, Multi Communications Sdn Bhd, for inviting SPICE CSL International Sdn Bhd to establish our second 3S Care Center in Mega Mall Penang. Our first Care 3S Center was opened in Plaza Loyat, Kuala Lumpur on the 17th of April 2011. As SPICE CSL International representative, I'm honoured to have the chance to set up our center here and introduce CSL products to Penang consumers. We recognize Malaysia Northern region as an important market for CSL because here we have about 17% market share and is respond to our supporter and loyal customers. We decided to set up a second service center here rather than other places in Malaysia. This place is also a CSL hub for Northern region which aims to service our customers from Perak, Kedah and Penang. As for those who are curious about 3S, what is 3S stand for? After sales service, technical support and mobility solutions. Service, support and solutions will be always well prepared for CSL customers. In 3S Care Center, we offer more than a normal phone servicing center. You can acquire our sales for a phone, demo or latest promotions. You can find or purchase the fastest CSL phones and accessories products. Furthermore, you can request upgrade of software, after sales service, repair and maintenance of CSL phones. You can even acquire details of phone functions. Our product specialists will stand by here, that is to consult CSL smartphone users. Today, CSL has altogether 38 service centres in Malaysia, which makes us the biggest mobile service chain in the nation, as we aim to open 10 more of these 3S centres in future. This year, CSL has gone through many brand refreshing activities. We have recently launched a campaign called Switch. That is what we are wearing, the t-shirt you can see. Right? A campaign called Switch. The world is changing. Our environment is changing. Internet was used to be privilege of high-income group people or multinational officers. Now, internet is accessible everywhere. In a fast food restaurant, in kopitiam, in shopping mall, at school, and public places. Government is putting great effort to make our country with unable and vision is the most completed. The benefit of internet is beyond words. It helps education, healthcare, knowledge, business, economy, and so on. But now, about the hardware or tools of access internet, computer, laptop, branded tablets, and branded mobile phones are so expensive. We CSL have one mission, that is to provide affordable hardware and tools for Malaysians and to access internet. Why? Because internet is basic human rights. What is switch? We want to switch mobile to mobile internet. We want to switch single SIM to dual SIM. We want to switch from unaffordable to affordable. With CSL Switch, owning a smartphone is not a dream. It is CSL's dream to enable every Malaysian to own a smartphone. Thank you once again to Mr. Lima Che, founder of Multi Communications, to allocating for this wonderful space for this center. Also, thank you for all to attend and witness the steps of CSL towards nationwide and with your good day. Thank you very much.
Thank you.